In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type math in Google Docs using the equation editor. To get started, open your web browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. This ensures that you have access to all Google services, including Google Docs. If you're not signed in yet, follow these steps. Enter your email address in the login box, click on Next, type in your password, and then hit the sign in button. Once you're signed into your account, locate the small grid of squares in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Google Docs. This will open the Google Docs main page. Feel free to explore any existing documents you have, or you can start fresh by clicking on the plus sign or blank option to create a new document. Now you're ready to dive into the nitty-gritty of typing math symbols and equations. In your new Google Doc, move your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down, select the Equation option. Instantly, you'll notice a new toolbar appear right below the menu bar. This is your Equation toolbar. It also opens up a designated text box on your document where you can type out or select your math equations. The equation toolbar is an excellent feature because it gives you immediate access to all the symbols and notations you might need. Explore the toolbar's different menus, which are packed with helpful symbols. If you need Greek letters for your equations, such as P, Th, or V, click on the respective icon to access them. For math operators, plus, minus, multiplication, division, or even a plus minus symbol, you'll find them conveniently under the operators section. Need to use relational symbols like equals, not equals, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. They are just a click away under the relations menu, and if your equation requires arrows, whether it be simple ones like right arrows or more complex ones pointing in different directions, they are available in the arrows menu. Should you need to make changes to your equation after typing, don't worry. Click back into the equation box for editing at any time. If you need to add even more equations to your document, simply go to the menu bar, click on Insert, and select Equation again to open another equation box. That's all there is to using the equation editor in Google Docs. With these steps, you can easily type out math formulas and equations efficiently, making your documents more comprehensive and visually informative. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to explore these features yourself to become even more familiar. Happy writing!